Let the angle of incidence for getting the angle of minimum deviation, that is I prime. Therefore, delta m for angle of incidence, delta m is equal to twice I prime minus a, or I prime is equal to delta m plus a by 2 is equal to 27.26 degree plus 60 degree by 2 is equal to 43.63 degree. That means for getting the angle of incidence, for getting angle of minimum deviation, the angle of incidence should be 43.63 degree. So the angle of incidence should be reduced by the angle of incidence should be reduced by 60 degree minus 43.63 degree is equal to 16.37 degree. This question came in 2018 in Dhaka board, Dinajpur board and Silan board. That means in this region this question came. So this is very important one. I think you understood the question. Now we will go for solving second question, second creative. The focal lengths of the objective and the eyepiece of a compound microscope are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. The distance between the lenses are 14.5 centimeter and object of length 0.5 millimeter is placed at a distance of 3.1 centimeter from the objective. Number C, determine the distance of the image from the objective. Determine the distance of the image from the objective. And number D, that is compare the magnification. Compare the magnification in between the objective and eyepiece. Objective and the eyepiece. Okay. I read the question. The focal lengths of the objective and the eyepiece of a compound microscope are 3 cm and 4 cm respectively. The distance between the lenses are 14.5 cm. An object of length 0.5 mm is placed at a distance of 3.1 cm from the objective. Question number C. Determine the distance of the image from the objective. Number D. Compare the magnification in between the objective and the eyepiece. Okay. So let us go for the solution. Number C. Solution of number C. Solution, that is number C here. The focal length of the objective. The focal length of the objective, that is f naught. F naught is equal to 3 cm. It is given 3 cm. Distance between the distance of the object, distance of the object from the objective, that is u naught, is equal to 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. We have to find distance of the image. Distance of the image from the objective. From the objective. That is V naught is equal to what? We know 1 upon V naught plus 1 upon U naught is equal to 1 upon F naught. Okay. Or 1 upon V naught is equal to 1 upon F naught minus 1 upon U naught. Put the values here. 1 upon F naught is equal to 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter minus U naught is equal to 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. So having that is equal to 1 by 93 centimeter. 1 by 93 centimeter. Therefore, V naught is equal to 93 centimeter. So we have got that is V naught is equal to 93 centimeter. The distance of the image from the objective is 93 centimeter. Number D, solution of number D. We have to compare the magnification. We have to compare the magnification in case of objective and also in case of eyepiece. Here, for objective, we get V0 is equal to 93 centimeter from C. We are getting this from C. Focal length of the eyepiece that is FE is equal to 4 centimeter. Distance of the object from the objective that is U0 is equal to 3 centimeter, 3.1 centimeter. The distance between the objective and eyepiece that is L is equal to 14.5 centimeter. Therefore, the distance of the first image from the eyepiece is equal to L minus V0. L minus V0 is equal to, that is UE is equal to L minus V0 is equal to 14.5 centimeter minus 93 centimeter is equal to minus 78.5 centimeter. Okay. I am writing this lower line at the up. Therefore, the distance of first image from the eyepiece that is UE is equal to L minus V0 is equal to 14.5 centimeter minus 93 centimeter is equal to minus 78.5 centimeter. We know for eyepiece, that is 1 upon UE plus 1 upon VE is equal to 1 upon FE. 1 upon FE, or VE is equal to 1 upon FE minus 1 upon UE inverse 1 is equal to 3.81 centimeter. 3.81 centimeter. Therefore, magnification of the objective, magnification in the objective m naught, modulus of m naught, that is v naught by u naught, is equal to 3.81 by minus 78.5 is equal to 0.05. And magnification in the eyepiece, that is ME, is equal to VE by UE, is equal to 93 by 3.1 is equal to 30. Sorry, there should be a correction. That is m naught v naught by u naught. This one is 93. Sorry, this one will be 93 by 3.1 is equal to 30. That is m naught is equal to 30. That is m naught is equal to 30, and me is equal to VE by EE, that is 3.81 by minus 78.5 is equal to 0.05. So the comparison, that is ME is equal to 0.05. Therefore, comparison, that is m naught by ME is equal to 30 by 0.05 is equal to 600, or m naught is equal to 600 into ME. That means the magnification in the objective is 600 times of the magnification in the eyepiece. So I think you understood the math. In the lecture we have completed 2 creatives, and I think this will be helpful for you. So today is no more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.